Are you an NRI looking for a profitable business opportunity in India? With its growing economy and investor friendly policies, India offers several business avenues with high returns. Hi, my name is Pooja Yadav and I work with GI Compliance. And in today's video, we are going to talk about top 5 most profitable business options for NRIs in India along with some necessary compliance requirement. Let's begin. On top of the list, we have real estate investment and development. Real estate is the most profitable and stable options for NRIs in India. NRIs can invest in residential and commercial properties. They can start their own real estate companies and lease properties for rental income. Now let's talk about some of the compliances that you must follow. Property transactions must comply with the Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA) regulations. NRIs cannot purchase plantation properties, agricultural lands, or farmhouses. Rental incomes are taxable in India under the Income Tax Act, and property sales attract TDS and capital gains tax. Number 2, we have franchise business. Franchising is a low-risk business model where NRIs can invest in already established brands. Some of the franchise that NRIs can take in are food and beverages chains, retail and fashion brands, healthcare and pharmacy chains. Now, what are the compliances that needs to be followed? Number 1, NRIs must register a private limited company or limited liability partnership. GST registration is mandatory if your turnover exceeds a certain threshold. Import-export code registration is required if you are importing a franchise-related product. Number 3, we have e-commerce and online business. With the rapid digital expansion in India, e-commerce is one of the most profitable business options for NRIs. NRIs can start their online retail company, a drop shipping or print-on-demand store, a digital marketing agency or consulting agency. But you must follow these compliances. Number 1, a company registration is mandatory to operate e-commerce stores. A GST registration is required for online sales. An import-export code would be needed for cross-border e-commerce businesses. And payment gateways must comply with the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) regulations. On number 4, we have manufacturing and export businesses. India's Make in India initiative encourages NRI to invest in manufacturing and export businesses. Some of the profitable areas include textile and apparels, organic food products and spices, handicrafts and home decor. And what are the compliances that you must follow? Factory license and labor law compliances need to be in place for manufacturing units. Bureau of Indian Standard BIS certificates may be required for product safety and quality. Pollution Control Board clearance are required for specific industries. Import and export code registrations are mandatory for exporting goods. On number 5, we have IT and consulting services. India is the global hub for IT and consulting services, making it an excellent option for business opportunities for NRIs in India. Some of the profitable areas include IT software development, financial consulting and tax advisories, and business process outsourcing. And what are those compliances that you must follow? Company registration is mandatory to operate legally. GST registration is required if your turnover exceeds a threshold. Professional tax registration is required in some of the Indian states. Data protection and cyber security is mandatory for IT businesses handling the sensitive data. So in today's video, we talked about some of the best business opportunities for NRIs in India. And for more details, kindly contact JR Compliance today at grcompliance.com. Thank you.
JR Compliance.